Have you ever heard of a network effect? It's a phenomenon where a product or service gains additional value as more people use it. That's the true value of a community. For example, social apps like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and others, they skyrocketed because of this network effect. Now, your community's value will grow as more people use it too. Students will learn from one another, there'll be less reliance on you for all the answers, and they might just find a friend to go along the journey with. And the good news is, more people are looking to online communities to find others who share the same interests and passions, even more so than in-person communities now. The strategy is to start small, do it well, and then get more people to use it. Obviously, this takes time, and you have to start with establishing value for your community members first in order to build that network effect. As we learned in Chapter 1, you need to know two things. One, who your ideal community member is, and two, exactly what that member will find valuable. Now, if you reflect on your Chapter 1 workbook, where you worked on your purpose of your community and who you want to serve, knowing this will help you create an offer for your ideal audience. Next, consider your community's identity and the experience you intend to have for your members. You need to get crystal clear on exactly what you're offering. Now, a lot of people get stuck here. Try looking at other similar communities in your industry and see what they're doing. What inspires you? What do you think you can actually do continuously really well? Then fill in this sentence stamped. My community brings together identity of ideal members, seeking to transformation by community solutions and experiences so that they can insert your desired outcome or benefit. Now, here's an example. My community brings together young adults interested in Bitcoin, seeking to improve their financial mindset and investment by sharing tips, learning from mentors, and getting support so that they can build more sustainable wealth and investment portfolios. Now, knowing this statement is going to help you hone in and focus on what your offer actually is. But what kind of experiences will you actually do? So you know the who and you know the what. Now it's time to consider the how. How exactly will you provide value in your offer? What kind of experiences will you give? Remember your value propositions from Chapter 1? Now turn those into tangible benefits and experiences members can experience monthly, weekly, or on a daily basis. Remember, your community can exist for several reasons. At Thinkific, communities are primed for learning, but they can also be used for networking, sharing, getting information, feeling belonged, creating entertainment. You kind of get the picture. Communities are multi-purpose opportunities. Now, we studied 1,000 people and found that the top 3 reasons people value online communities for learning is because they value diverse opinions. They also appreciate non-judgmental spaces and value having a shared experience. Now, consider your value propositions and use them to determine the main features of your community offerings. For example, Yes and Marion offers group coaching and monthly group calls. Layla Martin offers alumni activities, rituals, discussions, and cohort-based classes. Crystal Dawn Culinary offers live events to use alongside the course experience. Now, there are some other features your community can offer, such as challenges, workshops and events, virtual field trips, feedback rounds, peer meetups. There's also exclusive access to early product releases or beta testing groups for any new products that come out. You can also post live streams, video replays, or podcast releases. The possibilities are endless. The key is to start with a focused set of values and offerings and scale naturally as your community grows. And that's when your network effect will kick in.